it's Xana P. Today we are gonna start a new segment on this channel, and I'm gonna call it Labhhhet or Labhhhay. Do you get it? Maybe this is better. Labhhhet or Labhhhay. Okay, so that's a little corny, but yeah, you know me, I like corny titles for my segments. The Buena video for this segment is about Nlighten products, which were sent to me by Miss Doreen Miran sometime late February. I really had enough time to actually test the product and provide a reliable and honest review for you guys. So she sent me 4 products to try. The first one is the Nlighten CC Cushion, and next is their O2 Bubble Cleanser. And she also sent me 2 soaps to try, which is the Nlighten Kojic Papaya Glutathione Soap, and lastly, the Nlighten Premium Soap. The next product is this one, the Nlighten O2 Bubble Cleanser. Well, actually, I'm not very particular in cleansers. Like, I just use the basic department store cleansers, Pond's, Nivea, or whatever. Sometimes I use my brother's cleanser, so I'm not very particular with cleanser. But I was really thrilled to receive this in the package. It looks like this. Oh, it's kind of dirty. I just got it from the bathroom, but it looks like this. How you use it, you just need to, get an ample amount and spread that on your face while it is dry. I was like, why should it be dry? I tried following the instruction at first, so I applied it on my dry face, but I just don't feel very contented in doing that. So usually I wash my face with water first, and then I use this product. So let's talk about the features of this product first. Of course, this is a cleanser, but what separates it from other cleansers is that it provides us with oxygen therapy and various essentials which help relieve the skin from dead skin cells, sebum, impurities, and any excess debris. So it's supposed to have a lot of oxygen in it, and if you would get a hold of the packaging, it has a lot of extracts like fruit and flower extracts on the list. I would not read it because it will just bore you, but basically it has a lot of natural ingredients that will also nourish and moisturize your skin as it is cleansing it. I could attest to that. This is actually very moisturizing. If I were to compare it with a locally popular brand, I would compare it to the hydration line of Solitech, that cleanser. As you wash it, it really leaves your skin moisturized, but this one, it feels more clean. Yeah, it definitely feels more clean. And what's amazing with this product is that you just put this on your face and you leave it for a minute or so, and you would see the bubbles forming. And it's a basic knowledge. If a cleanser or soap produces a lot of lather, it means it's a deep cleansing type. Like, it will really remove all of the debris and oils on your skin surface. But some of the soaps and cleansers could have very strong lather that it will leave your skin dry, but this one doesn't do that. Your skin feels very clean, but it's very moisturized. In the instruction, it doesn't really tell you to scrub your face or like rub it with your fingers. So it just says put it on your face, leave for 1 minute, and then rinse it with lukewarm water. I don't know, it's just me. I think cleansing, just like hand washing, the soap is a factor, but also friction is a factor in cleansing your face. So even if it's not in the instruction, I still like to rub it off for a good minute or so and then rinse it off. And that way it leaves my skin very moisturized, but it feels very clean. And yeah, that's the O2 Bubble Cleanser. Definitely, it's a Labhhhet for me as well. Labhhhet! But I'm almost running out of it though. Oh my god. Now we'll move on to the soaps. According to Ms. Doreen, all of the skincare and cosmetic products are made in Korea except for their soaps. Their soaps are locally made, is made in the Philippines. I think only Filipinos are crazy about Kojic and papaya soap and glutathione soap. And they put that here, all of those popular ingredients in one soap. This is their Kojic papaya with glutathione soap. Honestly speaking, I have been a Kojic acid soap or Kojic soap user for years. Like after I graduated from college, that's the time I started using Kojic soap. And I would attest, Kojic soap is really effective. If you would only see how I look like in high school and elementary, you can tell that I'm really lighter. And of course with the help of the lights too. It will not give you an instant whitening effect, but in the longer run with religious use, it will really lighten your skin. I'm loyal to Kojic soap. It's my main body soap. And let me emphasize on body soap. If I use the Kojic soap on my face turns red. Like I would have like red spots. So I only use Kojic soap for my body. I leave my face as is using Safeguard and cleansers. That being said, when I use this Kojic papaya and glutathione soap on my body and also on my face, yes, it made my face red as well. It wasn't a very good idea, but I just gave it a shot, you know. I thought it would be, maybe it would have a better combination. But the thing is, it also gave me some redness or rashes on my chest area and on my back area. I'm guessing it's because it has more active ingredients. So yeah, maybe it will be more effective in whitening for some people, but for me it's a little too strong. This is somehow Labhhhay for me because it causes redness. I tested it for a week, but then it's really irritating my skin, so I stopped using it. And then because I stopped using that, I opened the next soap, which is this Nlighten Premium Soap with argan oil, aloe vera, and collagen. So this soap is quite interesting. It is actually a clear bar soap, which is very pretty. I used it and boy, it is definitely very, very moisturizing. And the smell is like a very light citrus smell. I forgot to mention this also has a light citrus smell. And I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like this is a bar version of this cleanser. Like it has the same feeling. It leaves your skin very clean but very moisturized at the same time. So if I were to choose between the two, of course I choose this. It has argan oil, aloe vera, and collagen, which makes it very easy to imagine why it leaves the skin very soft and very supple, like baby-like skin. So I'm loving this product. This is definitely a love it for me. Yeah, love it, love it, love it. And that's it for this Labhhhet or Labhhhay or Labhhhay. I don't know. I have to review the first clip. If this is helpful for you, please click the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see more reviews and other videos from me, feel free to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, so please subscribe. If you have any questions about the products or any requests for future reviews, write it down below in the comment box. And thank you very much for hanging out with me and watching this video. I will see you next time. Bye!